The Seattle Police Department is just one of the agencies that collected unused and expired prescription drugs today. Seattle Police and Renton Police say that drug addiction is a big problem in their cities, and this is just one way to help prevent it.
So this is a bag that somebody brought with their unused prescription medications.
Prescription drugs can be used for good, but can also become dangerous.
Prescription drugs most definitely can cause addiction and overdoses.
That's why today the DEA is holding its 26th Drug Take-Back Day.
Nationwide, about 24% of overdose poisoning deaths are from prescription-controlled substances.
She says many people now addicted to fentanyl were first addicted to prescription drugs they could no longer get a hold of.
The people that already had a substance use disorder, they were looking for other things, and that's when fentanyl really hit the market.
I saw a lot of prescription drug bottles in there and cold medicine and that kind of thing.
Renton Police was one of around 50 Washington law enforcement departments that hosted drug take-back events today.
We don't want young people to getting a hold of them. For prescription drugs, they don't belong to them to accidentally digest them.
So you need the bags back. Okay.
Seattle Police also held an event. They say drug addiction is one of the biggest problems facing Seattle.
It's kind of the nexus for all other crimes. It is the reason why people commit other crimes, to be able to fund that habit, because of that habit, because they don't know what they're doing while they're on the drugs.
Data from the Seattle King County Public Health Department shows over the past 5 years, deadly overdoses where prescription drugs played a role increased by 39%, up to 148 deaths last year.
Any medication is potentially dangerous, and so whatever the medication is, we would rather have it disposed of properly.
Preventing possible deaths, addiction, and misuse is the goal, and giving people a way to do their part. The Renton Police Department has a prescription drug drop box that is open year-round for people to use when their office is open. And there are several other drop boxes around Western Washington. You can find those locations on the DEA's website. In Seattle, Connor Board, King 5 News.